had someone today ask me what my biggest fear is, and I really had to think about it. I really don't have any fears at all, but I do have a concern that I think about nonstop. And if you don't have this concern or fear, I'd like to pass it on to you. And here's what it is. You remember in school when you learned about the solar system and you saw the sun and the little planets, and here's Earth, and here's the moon, and here's the path they take, and it seems really nice and beautiful on the page. But what they don't tell you is you need to turn that page sideways and then hurtle it through space. So we're all kind of chasing, we're in a new place. Where Earth is today in the universe, we've never been in this exact spot. Every dead person you can think of, Abraham Lincoln, Hitler, Elvis, that's a strange group, but all of them, they've never been in this exact spot in the universe. And in 24 hours, our planet will be in a new spot in the universe that it's never been. And no one is for certain that when we get to that spot, something else isn't going to be in that exact same spot. I know what you're thinking, hey, we have observatories, we have billion-dollar satellites, they're watching out for that stuff. And that's great. Some things are camouflaged. There's times where we don't learn about something until either as it's passing us or it's already past us. And that's scary because some things are camouflaged. Like if you're in the ocean, you're way down deep and you look up, there could be a great white shark up there. You won't see it because the bottom of it is white. If you're on the surface of the water and you're looking down, way down there could be a great white shark. You won't see it because it blends in. Kind of like if you're driving towards a sunrise or a sunset, that thing where you're like, God damn. And you're just thinking as you're driving, you're like, I hope there's no bikes in the road. And then you pass somebody on your bike and you're like, oh shit, there was somebody on a bike. That's kind of like how we're hurtling through space. And terrifies the shit out of me. And if you still don't understand my concern, there's an experiment you can do. Pull up a video of our solar system, okay? Now, go outside, put your phone screen right up against your face where all you can see is that video, and then run as fast as you can for 30 seconds, and let me know how that works out for you.